Good day, guys. For both SET and JEE, it is a new experience. Remember it. So right now we are going to start lectures for both SET, JEE, and answer in one shot. Remember it. Answer in one shot. We have some tricks. So in every lecture, I will give you some little tricks. By using that trick, you will get in one shot answer. Say, suppose if we have integration x square sin x dx. If we do this sum, so you know this, there will be 2 times part integration. अगर आप इसे सॉल्व करोगे तो आपको पता है कि इन दिस सम आपको 2 बार पार्ट इंटीग्रेशन करना पड़ेगा. इट मीन्स दैट you have to pay at least 2 to 3 minutes to solve this sum. So in GoodSet and JEE, it is not convenient. वो हमारे लिए इतना convenient नहीं रहेगा. So we have to develop some short tricks. So for this sum, see we have a trick. कैसे करेंगे? X square. अच्छा, it is algebraic sum. It is trigonometric. It is algebraic form. It is trigonometric function also can say. So first algebraic को टिकाओ यहाँ पे, then derivative it. So the differentiation is 2x. वापस इसका differentiation करो 2 and then plus c over. देखो यहाँ पे 2 बार पार्ट इंटीग्रेशन करने के बदले we will get in one short answer. Remember it. Now see. अभी जो ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन है उसका इंटीग्रल यहाँ पे लिखो. What is the integral of sine? The derivative of sine is cos, so the integral of sine will be minus cos over. Then integral of this, integral of cos is sine, so integral of minus cos is minus sine. वापस integral of sine is minus cos, so integral of minus sine is cos over. अब साइन कैसी लगानी है? प्लस माइनस प्लस ओवर. देन सिंप्लीफाइड इट विल बी माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर कॉस एक्स प्लस 2x साइन एक्स प्लस 2 cos x plus c over. So in one shot you will get the answer. Clear? देखो, due to x square there will be 2 times part integration, but by this trick we can get easily in one shot answer. One more question. See, x cube cos x dx. Due to x cube, if we solve this, there will be 3 times part integration. So obvious it will be lengthy process. So by our method we will get only in 1 or 2 steps answer. See, same method. Write down the algebraic form x cube, then differentiate it. So it will be 3x square. वापस इसका differentiation करो, then 6x. वापस differentiate it 6 and then plus c. Now give sign plus minus प्लस माइनस डैश. नाउ अभी जो ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन उसके लिए अभी उसे इंटीग्रेट करो. व्हाट विल बी द इंटीग्रल ऑफ cos? द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos इज माइनस sin, सो इंटीग्रल ऑफ cos विल बी sin. सी अभी वापस इसे इंटीग्रेट करना है, सो इंटीग्रल ऑफ sin इज माइनस cos. Integral of cos is sin, so integral of minus cos is minus sin. Integral of sin is minus cos, so integral of minus sin is cos over. Simplify it, you will get the answer. Clear? So it is very 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 easy method. Now see one more 3. If we have multiple of angle of sine, then what? See, if there is x square, so 2 times part integration. If x cube 3 times, x raised to 4 4 times, x raised to 7 7 times, कितना लंबा सम होगा. But by this trick we can find easily answer. If we have multiple of this x, तो और भी कुछ इसमें देखना पड़ेगा. Same method, same. Write down the algebraic function, then differentiate it. वापस differentiate it. Plus c. Now same process. इसका इंटीग्रल लिखो. What is integral of sine? Integral of sine is minus integral of sine is differentiation of sine is cos. So integral of sine is minus cos 3x, or linear is linear in place of x, divide by it. You know this. Then see, sorry, plus माइनस तो करना ही है. अब वापस इसका मुझे सी वी हैव -1/3, वापस इसका इंटीग्रल लिखना है. व्हाट इज द इंटीग्रल ऑफ cos 3x? सो इंटीग्रल ऑफ cos इज sin, सो इंटीग्रल ऑफ cos 3x विल बी sin 3x/3. नाउ वी हैव -1/9 and we have to write the integral of sine. The integral of sine is minus cos, so integral of sine will be minus cos 3x/3 over. Now simplify it, so it will be minus x²/3 cos 3x minus minus plus 2/9 x sin 3x minus minus plus 2/27 cos 3x plus c. It is the answer. So in this kind of sum, if you use this method, you will get easily answer. So I am giving you some more sums for the practice, for the homework. Note down it. First, x² sin 4x dx, x³ sin 5x dx, x raised to 4 cos 3x dx, x raised to 5 cos 5x dx, x³ cos 7x dx, x raised to 9 sin 5x dx, x raised to 7 cos 2x dx, 8, x raised to 8 sin 3x dx. And challenge for you 9 integration x³ sin square x dx. One more challenge, x raised to 4 cos square 2x dx. These two sums are challenge for you. So in every lecture you will get this kind of sums, this kind of tricks, and sums for the homework. Remember it. So in this kind of lecture you will see in the playlist channel of Blessed Institute. Remember it. So in next lecture I will give you some more tricks. Okay, see you. Bye bye.